How to clear cache on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you what is cache and how to clear cache on Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app, and then once you're on your Snapchat app you have to tap on your profile picture here in the top left corner, and then tap on settings. Now here scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then here you have to just scroll up a little bit, and here you will see in account action clear cache. So first, what is cache? According to Snapchat, your Snapchat cache holds the data to help the app run faster. You can clear the cache if you need to free up storage space on your device or troubleshoot some issues. Clearing your cache won't delete any of your memories, snaps or chats. So if you want to clear your cache data, tap on clear cache and then tap on continue, and this will clear your Snapchat cache and help you free up some storage space on your device. And so this is how you can clear cache on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching.